What's going on? You're watching All Days Adventures. And I got my dad and my wife Casey on the boat with us today. We are on the Salt Springs run. We're on the Salt Springs run. We're gonna do some bass fishing. We got a live well full of shiners, wild shiners. We're rigging up and heading to the spots. We'll see you when we get there. We just ran across Lake George. We left Salt Springs Run and we are showing up to Silver Glen, where there's a spring. A lot of people swim, but we are fishing today. It's a little too cold for swimming. What's the temperature out here?
Water temperature is 65.
Water temp is 65. Outdoor temp's probably right around there. It's chilly and the wind's blowing, so that was a wet ride over. We'll see what we can get. It'll be crystal clear at the top, 72 degrees. Hoping the striped bass are running today. I don't know, not sure what time of year they're in, but they might be in here. We just had a wet ride back, and I just wanted to tell you some of the stuff we saw. We saw manatees, and I got some video of that, and I think I got a baby alligator on video. So stay tuned and some of those videos will pop up. He's way out there. Scared the bass out of the hole.
Look at this bass coming out of there.
I know, that's a mudfish there.
Something's on there.
Oh,
Bass.
you caught a fish.
Want to video it?
It's videoing. Look at that. When you think you're in the weeds and you catch a little fish.
Oh, I knew there was something on there.
Nice. You want me to net them with my hand?
No.
Boat flip them? Jeez. Little guy. Is that a fish sitting in there dead?
Yep. Or I don't know, he's sideways. Go over there.
Yeah, that might have a tag on it.
Maybe.
Might have us a $100 tag. Here, hold that fish. Let's see.
Here, hold
Yeah.
that fish. I got him. Probably just.
Mm-hmm.
Is he dead or is he just?
He's dead. There's a crab touching him. I haven't figured that out yet.
Let's see if I can snag him with a crappie.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see a tag on.
Well, it might be there. There's two crabs getting him. Did you?
I don't see a tag.
No. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's still alive?
Look at the other side.
Check for the tag on the other side.
He got shot or gigged. He's got a big hole inside of him. We're out here fishing, and definitely fishing because we've only had one so far. Not a catching kind of day. But I'd like to show you all these beds that are out here behind me. These are tilapia beds. I'm gonna pop the drone up there and take some video for you. See what they look like from the air, because they scatter through all this. I'm gonna put the drone up in the air and you're about to see it. We just got home. We're back at the pond, and we're gonna take all our leftover shiners. Let's see if we can feed some of our bass in our little pond. We're gonna grab all them shiners out and see. There's one of our bass right there. Come on, Biggie. See if the bass are hungry. Oh yeah, he got him. Got him. That's cool.